everyone, my name is James Atkins and I'm the General Manager here at our Palm Harbor Home Supercenter located in Killeen, Texas. And today I'm standing in the 2856 3A Villager model built by our Fleetwood factory. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, over 1,500 square feet, and has a 12-year structural warranty standard. This home is amazing. It's got an open floor plan, a huge pantry. This pantry is so big you can store enough food in there to feed an army, I promise you. Has a laundry room with plenty of space for a full-size washer and dryer and a freezer. Stand up or chest freezer, either one. As you can see, I'm standing behind this beautiful island right here. Lots of cabinet space. 2 huge bedrooms over here on the left with walk-in closets. Every bedroom in this house has a walk-in closet. There's no carpet in this home. So for every one of you that don't like carpet because of the allergies or because pets or even kids, you know, kids can spill Kool-Aid, you got over in a carpet cleaner. Not with this house, there's no carpet. But the best thing about this house is that it's only $59,999. That's right. It's a 2019 28 by 56 Fleetwood with a 12-year warranty for only $59,999. I promise you, when corporate finds out that this home is $59,999, they're going to realize that it was a mistake and this home should really be $79,999. So before they increase the price on this home by 20 grand, you need to come in and see us today at 3700 East Central Texas Expressway in Killeen, Texas. Go to our website, www.killeen.palmharbor.com, or give us a call at 254-690-1232 and get more details on this beautiful home today. We look forward to seeing you soon.